Good morning, class 5 children. Today in English we are going to learn three more important and new words. They are homonyms, homophones and homographs. So let us talk about homonyms. What are homonyms? Homonyms are two or more words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meaning. It says that homonyms are two or more words that have the same spelling and pronunciation but different meaning. See beta, what does homonyms state? Homonyms state that there are two or more words that have the same spelling. Two or more words having the same spelling and the same pronunciation but different meaning. Two words. Suppose let us say talk about watch. W-A. I have written two words, watch and watch. Are they the same words? Yes, they are the same words. Do they have the same spelling? Yes, of course they have the same spelling. Are they same in pronunciation? Yes, of course they are the same in pronunciation. But they have different meaning. How? This watch means to look at, and this watch means clock, wrist watch, जिसे ना wrist watch, घड़ी जिसे कहते हैं. So they have the different meaning. So this type of words which have the same spelling and same pronunciation but different meaning are termed as homonyms. I think this homonyms is clearer to you. Now we'll talk about homophones. What we'll talk about? Homophones. So let us talk about homophones. It is very simple. Homophones are words that have the same pronunciation but different spelling and meanings. Homophones are the words that have same pronunciation but different spelling and meanings. Homophones are the words that have same pronunciations but different spelling and meanings. Example: there and there. See, both these words they have the same pronunciation but they have different spellings and different meaning. This there means what? There, it is there. किसी का है, and this there means place. This refers to a place and this refers to a person. So this is all about homophones. Now we'll learn about homographs. What we'll learn about? Homographs. Homographs. Homographs are two or more words that have the same spelling but different pronunciation and meaning. It is just like homophones. Homophones were the words that have same pronunciation but different meaning and spelling. And homographs are two or more words that have the same spelling. The spelling is same but they have different pronunciation and meaning. Clear? Homographs are two or more words. Homographs are two or more words that have the same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning. But different spelling clear? What?
The same spelling,
Huh?
different pronunciation.
तो सच लिखा हूँ but that have
The same spelling but different.
अच्छा sorry children, that have the same spelling. It will be that have the same spelling but different pronunciation and meaning. Like minute. See, these two words have the same spelling, but will pronounce it differently. This is pronounced as minute and this is pronounced as minute. Okay? And they have this different meaning. Minute means time, second, minute, hour, and minute means tiny minute particle. When we break this chalk, if we break this chalk, जब इस चॉक को हम तोड़ते हैं तो ये टाइनी माइन्यूट पार्टिकल्स गिरते हैं. ठीक है, तो जो छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उसे माइन्यूट कहते हैं. दोज पार्टिकल्स विच आर स्मॉल, see these particles, they are known as minute. Minute means very small. And this is minute. Minute means the clock hand, second, minute, hour. Is that clear? 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And they have the same spelling but different pronunciation and meaning. Is that clear? I think homonyms, homophones and homographs are clear to you. Okay children, I think this topic is clear to you. So study well. Tomorrow we will be coming with a new video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.